I am back with another cleaning video because I am heading to London in a few days, and I have to always clarify London, UK here because there's a London, Ontario. So yes, I'm going to the UK for about a week and I'm leaving in a couple of days, and I need to clean my entire apartment so that when I come back, I get to walk in to a fresh, clean space. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I thought I would do a cleaning motivation video. As I do all of the cleaning, I'm going to do basically every room except for my office because I only organized it the other day and it doesn't really need it. So I just cooked lunch, which is why I've already kind of wiped the bench down once, but I'm going to do it again now. And yeah, we're just going to have a big cleaning motivation day. Up a new puzzle the other day and I can't wait to start it. It is the prettiest box. It's called Sunday Morning and it's this, you know, coffee, candle, book, flower, Sunday morning image, which is literally me in a puzzle. And I just love that it's navy blue with gold foil on the box. Haven't even opened it yet. I'm gonna probably do that in the next couple of days or when I get back. I'll probably finish it when I get back, but I now have a new project and I'm so excited to start it. I'm gonna actually film it as like a TikTok and speed it all up and put it all together, and I think it'll be really cool. But I picked it up at Indigo and I'll have it linked down below. But I'm so excited about it, so I don't even know where to put it. I might just put it under my TV unit with my other puzzles. Kitchen and the living room are pretty much done. I just have to do this middle section and my mirror, and I might do the whole table as well, the console table, whatever you call it. When I get back from my trip, I do need to upholstery clean my couch because I spilled a bottle of water the other day and you can see there's now a bit of a patch, but my friend Janelle has the upholstery cleaner, so I'll need to get that back off her. That will be an end of October project. And then over here in the mess of it all, I have a heater that I've been using. This is the one that Liz dropped off last week, and I've just sort of been putting it here and using my blanket to kind of create a bit of a nest here, and it's been doing a really good job. Like, it was really cold about 2 hours ago and then now I'm kind of warm, and it's probably because I'm up and about. But yeah, on to the next. I'm just taking a break. I'm having a cup of tea in my adorable pumpkin mug, and the living room and the kitchen are done. I will move on to the bedroom next, but I've just been doing a little bit of work on my Etsy shop. I've got my Christmas planners up, and I've also been working on some Christmas tags, and then I'm also working on another colorway for the monthly budget spreadsheet. Started working on a nude brown coffee kind of colorway. I need 5 colors per planners, and this is my mock-up page. It's all just random numbers throughout the rest of the pages to end up on the summary page, and I kind of like it so far. If you have any requests or any color ideas, let me know, but I'm gonna sit here and do a little bit of work, and then I'll get up and clean my room and the bathroom. Break time is over, and it's now time to clean my bedroom. I don't have to wash my sheets or anything because I literally just did it the other day, but I do have a bunch of clothes that I need to put away and things like that. So come on, tripod, do the thing. Okay, let's do it. I'm done with my bedroom. It's not the best job, especially my bed. It's wonky, but it's fine. It's fine. Not worried about it. It's done enough. I have some clothes that I need to wash. I really want to do a dark load, but I think I'm going to save that for tomorrow. I'll do the light load instead. I need to remove that makeup off my new bodysuit, and then also do this one, which has those stains on the front of it that I was talking about in my last video. And then I started actually getting out some of the stuff I'm gonna pack with me. So I have my carry-on bag, I have my carry-on suitcase, and then one sweater. I have one item so far to be packed, but that is going to be entirely tomorrow's job. In the meantime, I might put on some clothes washing. I've got my 2 piles. I'm gonna do the black ones tomorrow, and I'll do the white ones. Now I'm also going to vacuum down the end of the hallway because I haven't done it for a while, and it's kind of dusty. This is the sweater that I was wearing in one of my other videos, and I was worried about putting it in the washing machine because it does say cold hand wash only, but I put it on a cold wash and it didn't shrink because it is partially wool, so I was a little concerned, but it didn't shrink. It looks very fresh, and the 2 little stains that were just here, I think there might have been some red wine stains, like little droplets, are now gone as well. So I'm very happy about that. Good to know that I can run it through the washing machine as long as I put it on a cold cycle. It's time to get in and clean the bathroom. I am so close to being done.